Ever wondered how to bridge the gap between dollars earned in the US and naira spent in Nigeria? Specifically, how do you get money from your Ally bank account in the United States all the way to your account here? It's a question many of us face, whether it's for supporting family, investing in businesses, or simply managing our finances across borders. Let's be real, navigating international money transfers can feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. You're bombarded with terms like exchange rates, transfer fees, and processing times, and let's not forget the ever-present fear of losing your hard-earned money in the process. You've got family asking for school fees, a business partner needing funds, or you're simply trying to move your savings home, and you're stuck wondering, how do I do this safely, quickly, and without losing a fortune in fees? You might have heard whispers of traditional wire transfers, online money transfer services, or even cryptocurrency. But which one is the right fit for you, especially when dealing with a specific institution like Ally Bank? Is Ally Bank even compatible with Nigerian banks? Are there hidden costs you need to be aware of? And most importantly, how do you ensure the money reaches its destination securely? Today, we're going to break down the entire process, step by step, and shed light on the most efficient and cost-effective ways to transfer money from your Ally bank account in the USA to Nigeria. We'll explore the various options available, weigh their pros and cons, and equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. First, let's address the elephant in the room: direct wire transfers. While Ally Bank does offer international wire transfers, it's often the least favored option for transfers to Nigeria due to high fees and lengthy processing times. Imagine paying a hefty flat fee, plus a percentage of the transferred amount, only to wait days, or even weeks, for the money to arrive. It's simply not practical for most needs. So, what are the alternatives? This is where online money transfer services come into play. Companies like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Remitly, WorldRemit, and others have revolutionized the international money transfer landscape. They offer competitive exchange rates, transparent fee structures, and faster processing times compared to traditional banks. Let's focus on a few of these and see how they integrate with Ally Bank. Wise, formerly TransferWise. Wise is known for its transparent fee structure and mid-market exchange rates, meaning you get the most accurate exchange rate possible. To transfer money from your Ally Bank account to Nigeria using Wise, you'll first need to create a Wise account. Once you're logged in, you can initiate a transfer by specifying the amount you want to send and the currency you want to receive, naira. Wise will then provide you with the exact exchange rate and the total fees involved. You can then link your Ally Bank account to Wise and authorize the transfer. Wise often uses local bank transfers, making the process faster and more efficient. Remitly is another popular option, particularly for transfers to developing countries. They offer competitive exchange rates and often provide promotional offers for first-time users. Remitly also offers different delivery speeds, allowing you to choose between express and economy options, depending on your urgency. To transfer money from your Ally Bank account to Nigeria using Remitly, you'll need to create an account and link your Ally Bank debit card or account. Remitly will then guide you through the transfer process, providing you with estimated delivery times and fees. WorldRemit offers a wide range of payout options, including bank deposits, mobile money transfers, and cash pickups. This flexibility can be particularly useful if the recipient doesn't have a bank account. To transfer money from your Ally Bank account to Nigeria using WorldRemit, you'll need to create an account and link your Ally Bank debit card or account. WorldRemit will then guide you through the transfer process, allowing you to choose the preferred payout method. Now, let's talk about the practical steps involved in using these services with your Ally Bank account. Create an account. Start by creating an account with your chosen money transfer service. Ensure you provide accurate information and verify your identity as required. Link your Ally Bank account. Link your Ally Bank account to your money transfer service account. This can typically be done by providing your account number and routing number, or by linking your debit card. Initiate the transfer, specify the amount you want to transfer and the currency you want to receive. The money transfer service will then provide you with the exchange rate and the total fees involved. Authorize the transfer. Review the details of the transfer and authorize it. You may need to verify the transfer through your Ally bank account. Track the transfer. Most money transfer services provide tracking information, allowing you to monitor the progress of your transfer. Now, let's talk about some crucial considerations. Exchange rates. Always compare exchange rates offered by different money transfer services. Even small differences can add up to significant savings, especially for larger transfers. Be sure to understand if the rate is a mid-market rate or a rate with added margins. Fees. Pay close attention to the fees charged by each service. Some services charge a flat fee, while others charge a percentage of the transferred amount. Consider both upfront fees and any potential hidden costs. Processing times. Processing times can vary depending on the service and the payout method. If you need the money to arrive quickly, choose a service that offers fast processing times. Security. Ensure that the money transfer service you choose is reputable and secure. Look for services that are licensed and regulated by financial authorities. Recipient information. Double-check the recipient's bank account details to avoid errors. Incorrect information can lead to delays or even lost funds. Limits. Be aware of transfer limits, both from your Ally bank and from the money transfer service. Nigerian bank compatibility. Verify the service works with your specific Nigerian bank. Most large Nigerian banks are compatible with services like Wise, Remitly, and World Remit, but it's always best to double-check. Documentation. Depending on the amount, you may need to provide additional documentation for the transfer, both for the money transfer service and for your Nigerian bank. This is to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. It's also worth noting that while online money transfer services are generally the most efficient option, you should also consider other factors, such as the amount you are transferring and the urgency of the transfer. For large transfers, it might be worth consulting with a financial advisor to explore all available options. Before finalizing any transfer, take the time to compare different services, read reviews, and understand the terms and conditions. Don't be afraid to contact customer support if you have any questions or concerns. Remember, transferring money internationally doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the available options and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your money reaches its destination safely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.